Well, you start with this is just true for, I think, if you check out any of the big like social media brands, political commentary is one of them that does this really well. They start with big chunks of long form content or podcasts or talking to the camera. And then they have a team or maybe an editor and they cut it into little pieces. So they start separating out the ingredients and creating all these other pieces of content. Okay. So what I do, and we've been kind of absent on Instagram right now and Twitter. We haven't really, and TikTok as well. We haven't really done much just because we're so busy. Me and my team are so busy securing a publishing deal for our game, Twisted Tower, and we're working on Twisted Tower. It's just a lot. But what we usually do is we have a 10-minute video, and then my personal assistant and my producer and my social media manager, he does a lot. His name is Hector. I don't know if he's in the chat. He might be in the chat. But what he does is he starts cutting that into 1 minute. He finds like the best pieces and he does 1 minute clips. And then just throw them on TikTok. He'll throw them on YouTube and he'll throw them on Twitter. And it's not like they get that much traction. But here's the thing, guys. If you're seeing growth, then what are we complaining about, right? If my TikTok isn't exploding, I don't care. As long as it's growing, I'm good, right? As long as things are growing, I'm good. Obviously, you want a higher rate of growth, but if you're not seeing growth, then there's a problem. But if you're seeing growth, that just means, hey, this could be exponential, right? Especially as you're learning. So we take long form content. I take one video, like this one, for example. I'm going to have my social media manager cut it into pieces, and then I'll have plenty of content. Like, look how much I'm talking right now. And it's great content, right? I think it is. He's going to cut that up and he's going to put it on social media, right? And that social media can be used to either grow your channels on social media, redirect it to an email list. Email lists are great, by the way. That's a whole other video. Or redirect it to wish list your game, right? So you can take all that content, break it into pieces. So I'm not creating content for TikTok. I'm not creating content for for Twitter and Instagram. I'm just making long form videos, whether it's a dedicated upload for YouTube that's 10 minutes long or a live stream. And then I have somebody else. And you guys, you could do this for like $400 a month. I know that's a lot of money for a lot of you. But as you're building your business, it'll start to become less and less expensive, right? Because you're going to be bringing in more income. But if you can't afford somebody to cut your content up, you can do it yourself, right? You can do a 10-minute video, and then you can find the best pieces and break it and fractal it for all the other platforms. But I would focus on YouTube. That's what I would do.